In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF document into Microsoft Word file. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Here I have a PDF file. I want to convert this PDF file into Microsoft Word document, and it's containing some images. Open Microsoft Word, click on open, and then click on browse. Select the PDF file and then click on open. Word will now convert your PDF to an editable Word document. Click on OK. The PDF file is opened as Microsoft Word document, and you will find your images unchanged. And if you want, you can edit your text. Now click on File tab, then click on Save As. Click on Browse to save the PDF file as Word document, and select the location where you want to save. Type the file name and make sure the save as type will be Word document. And now click on Save. Close Microsoft Word. Again go to File Explorer and look, this one is my converted Microsoft Word document. I'm going to open it again. This is the easiest way to convert PDF file into Microsoft Word document. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.